In this video, I will attempt to answer a question that someone asked. And if this wasn't the question and you're actually the person watching it, feel free to ask another question, maybe provide a little more detail. But I think what they were trying to ask was how to make this turn here with chair railing. And you're really not just going to be able to run this piece down and miter around this corner with some of the chair railing out there. You might be able to do it with a 1x4, but with a decorative trim, probably not going to happen. So let's go ahead and get started. I am 30 inches off of the front of the treads here, 30 inches off the top of the landing, 2'6". And you can see how all of this works out here. And basically what we're looking at here would be if I drew a line here and a line here and just simply raised it up, we would end up with this design here. Now for the tricky part, let's go ahead and add some of the chair railing and head down to the bottom. You can see where we're not going to end up with 30 inches here if I was allowed to miter this around the corner. And the problem with this is simple. That's the fact that this line right here does not extend all the way down to the ground because the wall is stopping back here. Now, if it went all the way down to the ground, you would be able to have this line right here turn and have the same height. And if this is something you need to happen, then make sure that you adjust this wall accordingly. And let me go ahead and remove the chair railing. You can see what I'm talking about here. We have a 30-inch line off of the top of the nosing, front of the nosing here, and off of the floor now. And if we just simply readjust some of the lines, 2'6" or 30 inches here, come up here, and then we're back to 30 inches, then you could see where something like this is probably going to work out a little bit better. However, since we're trying to line the bottom of the chair railing up, we're going to need to move the line over a little bit. So you can see here where I have the bottom of the railing go up here, around the corner, up here, and then over. And this is how we're going to turn the chair railing around the corner. So the bottom of the chair railing has just simply been moved over a little bit to make this work here. So let's go ahead and throw our chair railing back in there, give you an idea view from the bottom where we're going to have a mitered 45-degree corner, and then we're going to have another mitered 45-degree corner, except the angles will be a little bit different. And of course it will end up looking like this here. And hopefully this answered the question, or at the very least, you got to learn something new today. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.